Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is a different video from what I normally do, but today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because I got a gift for Christmas and I just wanted to do an unboxing and test it out for you. So what I'm going to be doing today is the blue Snowball mic. It's the Ice edition. I'm not really sure what the difference between like the normal version and this one is, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing and testing it out like I've already said. So before I get started, I just want to say I know the mic quality is shit and the camera is shit. I'm actually recording it on a webcam, but it's all I have available to me other than my phone, but I figured that a webcam would be the easiest thing to do it on. So I apologise for the shitty sound and video, but it's a video unboxing nonetheless. So I've just taken it out of the box and I'm going to show you all the stuff that came in with the box. So you've seen the box already, and then I've got this box which had the instructions and cables in, and then we had the rest of the box which was like this, which had the actual blue Snowball microphone in it. So it came like this in that second box that I showed you, and this tripod and the USB to actually plug it into the computer in the first one that I showed you. There's a little bit of plastic, this silicone, like inside the hole here to obviously keep it protected. So I've just literally screwed that on. It just easily, righty-tighty screws on like that. So now I put it on there. I'm going to stand it up here and I'm going to give it a little test so you can see what the quality sounds like. So the USB that I've got literally just plugs into the back like that. It's not very hard, you'll see when you get it, and then this other bit just wants to go into your computer or your laptop or wherever you might be plugging it into. So I'm just going to do that real quick and then we'll get into the test. So now that I've plugged it in, it comes up with a little red light to obviously show that it is on. I haven't got it like, it's not the sound that's coming out of it yet, but I'm going to figure out, yeah, that's just a LED light. So I'm going to figure out how to actually get it set up on OBS, and then hopefully you'll be able to hear how crisp and clean quality that it is. So I just wanted to do a sound test. Like, I'm going to go to the other side of my bedroom and I'm going to speak, and then I'm going to get closer and closer so you can see how it sounds. So bear with me, I'm getting old age. So over here, I'm not sure what the sound's like is going to be over here, but as I get closer, as I keep waffling and waffling and waffling, and I get really close to the mic and do some ASMR, I'm not sure what this would sound like. It'll probably sound terrible, but yeah, hopefully that gives you some perspective on how the mic actually sounds and what the quality is like. So I've got it plugged in now and it is right next to my camera on the desk, and it should be recording my voice. Like, I just did a quick sound test before recording this and it should be picking it up just from that. So hopefully it sounds like much more crisp and clear. And if you watch my gaming videos, I don't know if anyone does, but if you do, hopefully you'll be able to hear the difference in my voice, because it's a nice mic, and obviously I'll still wear my headphones, but I won't have the little microphone bit that comes on now. I can just speak into this, and I know there's a bunch of settings that I can fiddle around with to make like my voice sound even more crisp, but I'm looking at the microphone. I don't know why I'm not looking at the camera, but yeah, I know it's shit quality camera, it's a webcam, but hopefully the mic volume is much more crisp now and clear. So obviously I can't really give it a rating yet because it's pretty much the first proper mic I've had, and if I had to recommend it, it's really easy to set up. There's not much to it. It's literally just a cable and you plug it in and screw the tripod on. So I'm going to stop waffling now, but I hope you like this video nonetheless. Like I said, it's different to what I normally do. I'm not normally looking at a camera, I'm just normally playing games and going, but I hope you can tell the quality of the mic. And if you want to see more like this, please leave a comment down below. So like, comment, subscribe, and peace.